Imagine approaching Villa Tialta on a warm, sun-drenched afternoon in Villamartin. A beautifully detached home, standing proud with its clean lines and Mediterranean charm. Your eyes are immediately drawn to the private driveway, spacious enough for 2 large cars, with the added security and convenience of a private garage just beside it. The low-maintenance garden wraps gently around the property, bursting with color and carefully chosen plants that thrive in the Costa Blanca sunshine. And there, sparkling under the clear blue sky, is your own private swimming pool. A stylish chill-out area with comfortable seating beckons for evening conversations, while the fully equipped outdoor summer kitchen, complete with barbecue and prep space. Now, let's step inside. You enter the lower level first, and it feels like a home all on its own. This independent guest apartment welcomes you with a bright and comfortable lounge and dining area, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. 2 spacious double bedrooms offer peace and privacy, each with plenty of natural light, and they share a large, modern family bathroom. It's the perfect space for visiting family, friends, or even rental guests seeking their own private retreat. Climb the stairs now to the main living level, and the moment you arrive, light floods in from every direction. A year-round sanctuary where you can curl up with a book or savor your morning coffee while gazing out over the neighborhood. The fully equipped kitchen sits conveniently nearby, modern and practical, ready for everything from quick breakfasts to gourmet dinners. 2 more spacious double bedrooms await on this floor, each peaceful and well-proportioned. Finally, step through from the lounge onto the private roof terrace. Shaded by an elegant pergola, this elevated outdoor room offers sweeping views and gentle sea breezes, the perfect spot to unwind as the sun sets over Villamartin, glass in hand. Feeling that every day here truly is a holiday. Villa Tialta isn't just a house. It's a lifestyle waiting for you to begin. If you like this tour from Villamartin, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell.